Hi, on today's episode, we'll be looking at the opossum. This is the opossum. The opossum are members of the marsupial order Didelphidae. A distinctive characteristic common to most marsupials of this species is that the young are carried in a pouch. In the United States and Canada, the only species of the opossum found is the Virginia opossum. It is simply referred to as the opossum or possum. The word opossum is borrowed from the Powhatan language and was first recorded in 1607 and 1611 by John Smith and by William Strachey. Opossums are frequently considered to be living fossils, as the oldest opossum fossils are found roughly 20 million years ago.